Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. In this video we will be doing a before and after comparison of what a BF GT sounds like with a full Herrod exhaust system, which is headers, high flow cats and a high flow exhaust with a completely standard engine. And then we will see what it sounds like once we have fitted some custom grind Herrod Performance camshafts to the same car. So this way you've got a complete comparison of before cams and after cams. That's the only thing that's changed. We haven't touched the exhaust, we haven't touched anything else, we've just fitted the cams. Now if you have any questions about anything you saw in today's video, do me a favour, leave your question or comment down below in the comment section. In the meantime, if you enjoyed today's video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already done so, smash that subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.